Hey guys, Silverado Man 61 here. Today we're checking out a early Ford Bronco, and it's been totally restored. I can still smell the fresh paint on it too, so it looks really nice. Whoever did this job decided to video it for you guys today. Ford Bronco. These little things are expensive now, man. These little Broncos. Got the hard top on it. I'm guessing that is probably removable. Maybe not. I don't know. Can't tell. Got the flares on it. Spare tire in the back. Looks really nice. I still smell the paint because it must have been recently painted. But anyway, there's the inside for you. Looks really nice. Seats. Looks like the floor, even the floors have been painted on it. So this thing's had some work done to it. This little Bronco. Don't know why they are so expensive nowadays. I guess because they're getting rare. Don't see many of them on the road anymore. Yeah, it looks like they did the spray. Looks like a rough texture to the paint. She is really nice though, man. That's a nice little Bronco here. It's like the suspension's all clean on it and everything. It's really nice. It's a beautiful truck, man. I'm guessing it's got a, because there's no information on it. I'm guessing there's a V8 in there. Maybe 302, something like that. But anyway, they don't have anything on the windshield yet about it, so I can't really tell you too much. There you go, guys. Ford Bronco. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, greatly appreciated. And everybody out there, drive safe. And don't forget to visit your local adoption agency for a pet if you're looking for a pet. Because a lot of people are abandoning their pets now because of these times, which is sad, but true. Anyway, guys, have a good one. We'll catch you in the next video.